This mousse is so light and airy and creamy and basically a no-fail irresistible dessert. This Ferrero Rocher Mousse tastes just as incredible as it looks or sounds. Hi everyone, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Ferrero Rocher Mousse. For that, we'll start by making the crispy base of caramelized hazelnuts. I have half a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to now heat this on a low flame. Just give it a quick stir. I'm going to let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the color changes to dark golden brown and the consistency also becomes thicker. I'm now adding 1/3 cups of roasted hazelnuts. I'll stir it till the hazelnuts are all well coated in the caramel. I'm now going to remove them on a parchment paper. So I'm going to let these completely dry. Once they're dried and they've caramelized and they're hard, I'm going to grind this to a finely coarse mix, which we're going to use as the crispy base in our mousse. The caramelized hazelnuts are now dry and crispy. I'm going to add this to my processor. The base for our mousse is now ready. Now I'm going to make the ganache. For the ganache, I have 1/3 cup of cream. I'm going to heat the cream only until it just starts boiling. The cream is now hot. I'm going to add this to 2 ounces of chopped milk chocolate. I'm going to allow this to sit for 2 minutes until I can start stirring it. The chocolate is now softening. I'm going to just quickly mix it. Now for the mousse, I'm going to take 1 cup of whipping cream. I'm going to whip this till soft peaks. Now I'm adding half a cup of Nutella. I'm going to now whip this till a piping consistency. The cream is now thick and at a perfect piping consistency. I'm going to add this to a piping bag. So my crispy base of caramelized hazelnuts is ready. My ganache is ready and the mousse is ready. So I'm going to start assembling the dessert. So I'm going to start by adding 1 teaspoon of the base. I'm going to pipe the mousse now. Halfway, I'm going to add some ganache. Add some more hazelnuts. Now I'm going to pipe it to the top. Add some ganache and top it with half a Ferrero. My Ferrero Rocher mousse is now ready to be served. This is perfect for all the Nutella lovers and great to serve at any occasion. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.